Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to our new another podcast. So today we will discuss very important topic or issues in international politics. So especially the latest tension or conflict in Middle East. So now I have my colleague Abdul Basit with me. So what's up, bro?
Alhamdulillah.
So we heard a lot of things about politics, especially now this situation is very crucial in Middle East. So this impact, we all know, this impact is very powerful, very effective around the world. We also noticed many of things. Uh, we also affected all around the world is affected. All the people, all the citizens, all the most of the countries are affected by this war. Where so now we will discuss about this matter. So so what about this matter? Can you imagine like that, or can you face any problem, or what is your opinion in this matter?
Uh, my opinion is every country is involved in this war by every country is affected uh, by this war, like especially for a while because the Hormuz Strait is blocked
Yes, the state of
by
Hormuz is
Iran.
already
Blocked by
blocked.
Iran. That's why, uh, especially Asian country, all the Asian country is suffer for a while, and they are uh, try to buy oil from Russia, but there is also many problem. Like America said to uh, India. America permitted to India for buying oil from Russia only 30 days, only for 30 days. America give permission to India.
When did they did
I saw
give
in
permission?
I saw in the news today.
Today.
Yes,
Okay, I
only for 30 days. Uh, only for 30 days. India can buy oil from Russia.
but I have no idea about this. But it's already happened. Once again, it's already happened when Ukraine and Russia conflict. That time, U.S. government gave some sanction. Uh, many of lots of sanction they gave on Russia. So that time after that, India bought oil from them, Russia. So but you told me about this, but I have no idea about this. But today I heard a lot of variant type of news, especially if I say truly speaking, also I am affected by this war. So especially Strait of Hormuz, Iran will close this route. So all countries, all people known knew about this matter, but that's why I heard a myth. It can be myth, but I don't know. Actually, it is happen, or it is truth or false. But I heard a few days ago US government US government had a plan to attack on Iran with their alliance. So that's why US attacked on Venezuela, and US also US also arrested Venezuela president from their bedroom. So after falls their government, Venezuela government falls
Just take control of
as a
Venezuela.
result, yes, and they control their oil field. And so if I say in this case, they don't have any concern about this oil after Iran war.
uh, US has no concern, it's true, but uh, other country they can't provide oil for other country, right? So that's why America has no issue about oil, but others country has still issue about oil. That's why America America give permission to their
Especially India.
especially India uh, for buying oil from Russia.
But actually, they have they have most powerful influence on their dollar. But they have, for example, they have a lot of oil, but so some of days or a few months it can help, but whole country when whole country will be stopped or hold their economy, so that time dollar will be fall, dollar will be fall because all around the world economies will be hold because they have oil, but another world they maintain or they don't manage, they will not manage while crisis. Many of countries they cannot manage or they cannot handle this situation. Already we heard in our country some of oil station some of people they conflict, they fight with each other for collecting oil. So this is the one kind of concern. This is the only initial stage in our country. But a few days later, what will be? Actually, we don't know. Actually, we cannot predict this situation.
Okay, so we saw that dollar already impact about war for war because today dollar index was 98.99, but
Can you explain?
few months ago dollar index was uh, up to 100, but today is 96.
So it's gradually false.
Is already false, already going to down dollar index. So if this war will more days take more days, uh, dollar can more falls, more fall down.
Day by day, it will be
Day by day it
fall.
will be more fall down.
Okay, so can you explain what is the index for our audience because we are beginner.
The dollar index is its uh, others currency, dollar, and especially Japanese yuan, and others strong currency like Japanese yuan and Great Britannian pound and other currency, other strong currency against dollar. It will be going high or down. So
It's one kind of measurement, right?
one kind of
For
measurement.
up down, fall
For up
down.
down, another currency
It's comparison.
comparison,
One kind of comparison.
one kind of comparison, right?
Okay, okay.
So the dollar fall down means other country going fall up. Other country, other
Directly
currencies
will
going high.
price is going high. Yes, yes, yes. I understand. So when if you have money, you can spend. Ah, so if you don't have money, so you cannot spend money.
Right.
So you cannot buy anything. As a result, economy will be
Crash.
hold. So the flow, economic or dollar or money flow will be stopped that time. So that's the matter, and lot of people will lost their job. So especially third world country. So it's one kind of concern for us. Uh, so so did you hear today about our internal politics news today
Uh,
in our countries?
in our country, I see a news uh, about our international sorry, about our what did it say in English? Pararashtruniti.
International policy.
International policy. So I saw a news about international policy. Uh, the Honorable Prime Minister Tariq Rahman said, uh, "We are not says against India, and he said we are not under any country, and, and we will decide our international policy ourselves. Non-depend. Bangladesh is non-dependent on
Another country.
deep deep state.
Deep state. Yes,
Deep
yes.
state. The deep state is the deep state is after 1971 after 1971 to uh, this moment, uh, Bangladesh international policy is controlled by a group. Uh, Probably
It is included by it is included
probably it
some of
was
countries is
probably
included.
it was uh, highly impact. Probably it was uh, Indian law and others others person was involved in this matter,
Okay, we
and
will know.
they controlled there was control whole international policy of Bangladesh, and also they Indian law will control others country
Internal
international
matter.
policy like Sri Lanka
Nepal,
Nepal and
Bhutan also.
Bhutan also, and other Asian country.
Also, especially we heard next year, the last year, there one kind of in England, in England there were a murder in England. So that time their agent, their secret agents, killed he killed a leader of a group or party who want to freedom from India. So that's why they killed. But it was very challenging moment for England, Britain, because they hardly maintain their policy, their actually I don't know, already I forgot how to say their freedom, speech of freedom. They are highly concerned about about that matter. And that time created a highly tension between this country, Britain and India. After that, many type of issues came in front of us. So that's why it's one kind of cold. So now the trending topic is another lots of topic day by day we have seen. So if I say the hot topic in our Bangladesh, that is the in term government, there was a what is the meaning of Upadeshta?
Upudishta meaning is English is
Prime advisor. Okay.
advisor.
So one of advisor, his name is Rezwana
Rejwana Parvin.
Rezwana Parvin. So he admitted those these that election was engineering, because they wanted without Jamaat Islami. They wanted another party, or another without Jamaat Islami, another party which party is existed in Bangladesh, they will own. So that's why they make them fail, or they make them lose by engineering. So
Everybody are thinking about Rejwana. She can a member of deep state. It's
not
highly probability.
not only she, but also most of the advisor, without some of advisor, like our prime advisor, and also
Also our
Genji,
Gen Z advisors
what is
like
the name? Asif
Asif
Mahmood Bhuiya.
and Iris
Only 2 or 3 person, without only 3 person. Another remaining person are corrupted, and also they are collaborate with deep state.
right.
So as a result, we can see. So this is the hot topic. And also today Jamaat Islami, after Juma, they gather a party in front of National Mosque. So and then that time leader of Jamaat Islami, he said they want mm, they want to legal action for this election engineering, and also already Rejwana Parveen has admitted this matter. So they want to shelter with legal way.
How will how will it, how how will they shelter in legal way? Is there will uh,
Not shelter. Actually, they want justice, justice, and it can be prison. Which is
they want justice from court?
pro court.
Uh, so they were, can we say they want they don't want to uh, get any
Any another way?
any another way like uh,
Like
5 August or
yes, yes.
like July or
But actually, behind PNP, there are lot of uh, agreement. When Tariq Rahman came in our country, before that time, he actually contract with Deep State. So and especially what is the meaning of AMLA? Like
police, army,
all
government.
government. So actually, it's contact. It was contact, and the election was IWAS. So this is a simple calculation. All the people, especially we are Bengali people, know about this matter. Behind the scene, we
So
know.
this is open secret.
Open secret, yes, and we know.
You can say this is an open secret. So so there is no chance to make another.
Especially secretarians.
Uh, so there is
It's
no chance to make another evolution.
it was planned by secretarians. So okay, no problem. So today I saw international news, especially in about Middle East. Uh, Iran attacked Iran striked missile strike, also drone attacked on aircraft carrier, which name is Abraham Lincoln. But we cannot we don't get enough news or information about their conflict, or because of it's one kind of restricted
Restrict.
information. So that's why any kind of journalist, they cannot collect or gather this information. So that's why we cannot hear about this type of news or this type of information.
Why are you from this information?
But it's after 1 or 2 days later we can know, because using by satellite image, and it's provided by China.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we know, and this carrier all time moving. all time this carrier is moving his location. And also we know two warship. Hmm. We know two warship has attacked by US military or US submarine. So and and third warship, Iran sent third warship nearby Sri Lanka's ocean. Hmm.
Uh,
Ocean.
where to?
From Iran.
From Iran to Israel.
No, from Iran to Indian Ocean.
Uh, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Why?
Because Iran
মানে,
before all time they actually maintain their water route. It's his duty, regular duty.
oh, by for regular duty, not
Yes, yes.
for
Not for especially war,
Okay.
not for especially this tension. And also we saw in a news that is Iran sent cluster bomb by Shahed missile, Shahed ballistic missile on Israel. So we saw in a footage that was night footage. So that's why we saw clearly uh, uh, from one missile it's spread from one missile and it will be often 20 to 50 cluster bomb surrounding this place. And in this situation your defense system doesn't can't work in this situation. This bomb is very can damage. It's
And day by day, uh, Iran's attack, Iran's bombing is success ratio is going high.
yes, yes.
Probably now it is uh, up to 35 cross success ratio.
But
30.
actually, till now we don't know. Iran has a special ballistic missile or cruise missile. So day by day, the level will be up, and we will see the unique and more dangerous missile from their side, especially Iran. And also I heard a news. Some of so uh, some of military it will be some of mm, actually I don't I remember I forgot this word. It's militia group, one kind of militia group of Iran. So they support Iran. So they also attacked on US military base. Uh, so actually, day by day, it can be higher and higher. It going to higher. So we don't know what will be in the next. So can you did you watch any news today? Unique.
Actually, I was some busy. That's
Okay.
why I can't uh, study any news or I
Mhm.
can't watch any news. That's why I have some. I'm facing some issue for
Okay. But
information.
Strait of Hormuz is very important channel
Right.
for the world economic, and it's special it's special for carry oil oil tanker. So
Oil, gas, and another
uh,
energy.
oil tanker. Uh, we don't know how many days have to will have to suffer for citizen for people. So now we have to wait and see what will happen.
What will happen? Right. So we can close now.
But Iranian military they try to uh, they try to they try to defense because of Israel first 100 hours in first 100 hours they killed they killed 80 plus students in a school in a school attacked by attacked by attacked by Air Force, their Air Force.
It is not. It is not a. Is it not a? What is say the Judd war
Yes, it is one kind of
illegal,
illegal,
illegal in war.
illegal,
So
completely illegal,
completely illegal, right?
because it was not any military base or camp
Right.
or military civilian. So it's military personnel. So it's illegal in this way. So can you add something new?
Uh, I have no information for today. Oh, we will back tomorrow by use information, inshallah, and we will get more preparation for next day, inshallah.
But if you go in your YouTube feed, you can see many, variant type of news, and also I remember now that is I saw a news where where Trump is get some blessing their
Hope and
yes.
their
Mhm. So and they are praying. They were praying to win. This
oh,
were
I saw a news in a news in my news feed translate if Iran want to choose their supreme leader, I want to i- involve them, yeah, involved with this matter because they can't choose their supreme leader with me, without me.
and one he said we don't want to close this ceasefire, but some of news we heard some of news we heard uh, Iran will request for ceasefire. But when first time Donald Trump was thinking about this, that Iran will give Iran will want for a ceasefire, So after that, actually Iranians government, they reject this allegation. So and also Iran announced they won't give up from this war. They will operate this war. They uh, how long they will survive. So until survive, they will continue this war. And also today, yesterday we heard in Senate. In Senate there were legally they passed for continue this war. So there is no difficulty in keeping war. So, but in this Middle East, all of the US based from US military base when Iran attacked on their military base, a lot of army has killed, but they don't admit. They didn't admit, especially America. This is one kind of policy. Also, we saw yesterday one marine, one marine, uh, one marine. It is one marine people in Senate. They also uh, defamed this policy. So as a result, police was trying to arrest, but he cannot obey this, and as a result, they broke their hand by a door accidentally, but it was not intentionally.
I'm a little bit sleepy. So now,
Okay,
so
so
next.
now we will finish our podcast now. So
Okay.
it is enough for today, and I hope you heard our podcast. And already we made a lot of mistake. And your duty is when you notice our mistake, please mention in comment where did we make mistake, and it will be help for us from your side. So now we have to say goodbye. Thank you, have a good day, and see you again next time soon.